Hey babes, welcome back. Did I want like the glam still? Did I want to do a whole new bed? And then maybe I can still do a picture like an antique look. So I wanted to looking a little rusty dusty. I bought these about 2 years ago. I'm excited to be on camera. I missed you guys. Hey babes, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Levion and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So y'all, I wanted to do an update on my bedroom. Y'all know I took a break for a while because I was like at a loss on what I wanted to do, how I wanted to look, or how I wanted it to look. Did I want like the glam still? Did I want to do a whole new bed? Y'all know I got rid of the mirrored dresses, well, the mirrored nightstands. I just got rid of the mirrored dresser. I put this console table. I'm gonna do like a little like a bedroom tour for y'all, kind of like so y'all can see how everything is looking so far. I don't know about this console table right now, but it's working for right now. So yeah, so I really was trying to just change some things around. I just didn't know how or what I wanted, and it was just driving me crazy, y'all. I was just going crazy trying to figure out like what style I wanted. So I am going to show y'all my new nightstands that I did put in place of the mirrored ones that I had previously, and I guess also just like a bedroom tour of how everything is looking so far. So stay tuned. I'm excited to be on camera. I missed you guys. So let's go ahead and get into this video. I'm going to show y'all how everything is looking so far, and then also what my plans are for my bedroom as well. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so first I am going to start with these nightstands, which are actually dressers. So these are from IKEA. They are the Coupang. I'm not really sure the name of them, but they are the IKEA dressers, which I did turn into nightstands, and we are actually using them as dressers right now. We have our clothes in there at the moment, but I thought they looked really good. With me having like the mirrored nightstands for so long, I thought it looked really good with the gray my gray bed. So trying to look for like nightstands that would really work in here was like kind of challenging for me. So I was like, let me try black. And then all of the black nightstands I was finding were like super expensive, and I did want to like stay on a budget. Y'all know we bougie on a budget over here or whatever. So we went to IKEA. We found these. And I've been seeing a few other creators do the dressers as nightstands, and I love the way it looks. So I was like, let me go ahead and get there and get them. They were like $130 a piece, y'all. So very affordable. And then for the most part, they're holding up really well. To elevate them a little bit, I did go ahead and change out the knobs. I got these knobs from Amazon. I was thinking about doing like a antique look. So I wanted to, not an antique look, but, you know, just kind of give it some character. So I did go with these antique gold knobs, which I think they look, I won't show y'all my drawers, kind of messy. But I think they look really good on the black. And then I just kind of have it really simple. I wouldn't even say decorated, but simple over here. And then on my husband's side, I just purchased this, I don't even know what kind of tree it is, but I found this at Hobby Lobby. And I thought it was cute. I did want to add like a small plant in this area. I need to find a pot because this look real crazy right here. But I wanted to give it a little bit of height. And this is the only thing that I had. So I'll have to find like a small pot or like a small stand to kind of put right there in place of that. But I did want to add some greenery in here. And I thought this looked really good against it. Did the same thing with the knobs on this side as well. So yeah, got the same nightstand, well, the same lamps, I'm sorry, right here. I still love these things. Y'all know I was loving these when I first got them, and I think they also look really good on the nightstands. So same bed, pretty much the same setup for my bedding. I did switch out the white sheets for like these tan ones. These are from Target, the Casaluna collection. Wanted to get some different color, even though I still wanted to kind of go with like the neutral colors, but I decided to just add in like this tan or whatever, beige, I guess. I think it looks really good against the gray. Still kept my white pillow shams, which I want to get some more because these things looking a little rusty dusty. I bought these about 2 years ago. Just feel like I need some different ones. They looking a little worn. So that's that. Simple bedding, y'all. I'm just really loving like the simple minimal style right now. Y'all know I love the duvets. I'm a duvet girl. If you have not changed over into a duvet girl, again, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and do it. So I typically, I usually will have 2 inserts in here. I think it still looks a little fluffy. But y'all, it's hot, and yeah, so we only got 1 duvet insert in here. I did not put my quilt. It's too hot for me to be doing all that layering, y'all. Yeah, can't do it. So I just kind of do, in the wintertime, I will have the 2 duvets because I just really love that like full fluffy look. But again, if you get like a really nice duvet insert, which this one is as well, you'll still get that fluffy look. But we got that right there, like I said, with the tan or whatever color the sheets are. Kind of got like this linen throw kind of draped across the bed. That's how that is. Y'all know my infamous curtains. Y'all know I love these freaking curtains. These are from Amazon. They are the Land Time curtains. I think that's what the name of the company is, Land Time. And y'all, I think these curtains are the freaking best. They do have some other curtains on Amazon, and I actually have like some curtains from 2 pages down in my dining room and also in my office. I like them, but these curtains right here are just, y'all know these are my favorite. So I decided to place these in here. I had these in my dining room, and I decided to bring these up here, and I freaking love them. Y'all know I am obsessed with these curtains. So I added these up here. I have 2 panels on each side, so I have altogether 4, and I just love, y'all, I'm obsessed with these. obsessed with these curtains. So I think the curtains look really nice. So y'all, I need y'all help with this. So maybe y'all can help me out with this. Let me know what you think. So above my nightstands, I want to put something up there. Originally I was thinking about doing mirrors, maybe like some arch mirrors over on each side, but I'm kind of leaning in to like doing like some picture frames, like I think maybe like a 18 by 18, I think. Big picture frames above each other. Of course I will put like some art in there. Y'all know my commitment with putting things on my wall. I never can fully commit, but I really do feel like something needs to go above the nightstands now. So like I said, I was thinking about the arch mirrors, that maybe they can go on each side, or the wall art. I was going to do like two picture frames above each other, and I was even thinking about doing maybe like a picture light. I can do it even with the mirrors, but I feel like I would want to do it with the pictures instead. I'm leaning more towards the wall art, the picture frames. Like I said, when I did the poll, a lot of y'all said do mirrors. I feel like everyone is having the mirrors right now, which is a really nice look. I feel like it's like a RH kind of like vibe, which I do love, but I kind of think I want to go with the picture frames. Let me know what y'all think. Yeah, so that's the bedding. So if I decide on, let me turn this light out. So if I do decide to do the mirrors above the nightstands, I was thinking about maybe placing like some pictures like on this wall here, and then maybe I can still do a picture light. I'm kind of like obsessed with the picture light right now. I really want to get one. I've been seeing it all over and I kind of like love them. So I do want to incorporate a picture light somewhere in my bedroom. So yeah, so let me know what y'all think about that. Let me know what y'all think about the update or whatever. Remember the long mirrored dresser that we had right here? I wanted to try out a table, and I really do like how this table look right here. Maybe not this one actually, but maybe do another one, because this one is the one that was in my entryway table. I mean, in my entryway. I like it better in my entryway. I don't know what I want to put in there, but this is kind of like a placeholder right now. I do love how it looks though. I wasn't sure about putting another dresser right here. I was actually thinking of maybe putting a tall dresser right here, and kind of filling up this wall right there, but not completely sure. I do love this right here. Maybe if I got like a longer one, I don't know, not all the way sure about it. Again, I just think that it looks really good right here for now. Not completely sure. Y'all let me know what you think. So yeah, so that is how everything looks. That little baby pot looks so crazy right there. It just throws me off, but again, I didn't have anything to put right there. So that is how the bedroom is looking. I need to find a rug. I want to do like a carpet, oh, not a carpet, but a rug underneath my bed. I did have one before, and I can like kick myself for actually like getting rid of it, because I think that the one that I had would look really good now in here. But anyway, probably a rug to go underneath the bed. I think that will look really cute. And yeah, I think it's coming along. And what I really am loving right now is just the simplicity of everything. Like, of course I want my bedroom to look, you know, luxurious and designer and whatever else you may say, but I love that it's comfortable, and I love that it is given, you know, some luxury, but at the same time, like, we live here, you know what I mean? I don't have to pull off 50-11 pillows no more off the bed. Y'all remember that? before I get in the bed, everything is nice and clean and comfortable. So I do want to just kind of enhance it a little bit more and, you know, take it to the next level. So that is how everything is right now. You know what y'all think about the update or whatever. I miss you guys so much. I will be back to kind of give y'all the updates. Thank you so much for stopping by. If not already, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye bye.